बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। वेलकम बॉयज हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल तारकपुरा डियर स्टूडेंट, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक एंड केमिकल सिनेप्सिस, मोटर एंड प्लेट न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर्स। जैसे कि हम सिनेप्स आज पढ़ते हैं, इसमें कल हमने सिनेप्स टाइप्स ऑफ सिनेप्स में हमने पढ़ा है ट्रांसमिशन ऑफ इम्पल्स थ्रू सिनेप्स। आज इलेक्ट्रिक एंड केमिकल सिनेप्स पढ़ना है। इलेक्ट्रिक सिनेप्स एक्शन जो इलेक्ट्रिक सिनेप्स है, इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सिनेप्स action potentials move from presynaptic to postsynaptic membrane in a fusion similar to conduction of impulse along an axon। यानी जो इलेक्ट्रिक सिनेप्स है, action potentials move from a synaptic to postsynaptic membrane and a fusion similar to conduction of impulse along an axon। The fusion जो होता है similar to the conduction of an impulse along an axon, the synaptic cleft is so narrow that electric current generated by the action potential is the presynaptic membrane flow across the postsynaptic membrane and produce action potentials. Produce action potentials. The junctions between cardiac myocytes and between smooth molecule cells and regarded as electrical synapses। इसको इलेक्ट्रिक सिनेप्स कहते हैं। इन्हें जो synaptic cleft so narrow the electric current is generated by the action potentials in presynaptic membrane flow across the gap through a gap junction of postsynaptic membrane. They affect the voltage sensitivity ion chemicals in the smooth molecule cells are regarded as electric synapses। दूसरा है केमिकल सिनेप्सिस। Sympathetic cleft is too wide for electric current to pass directly between the membrane। जो सिनेप्टिक क्लिफ्ट है, ये इतना वाइड होता है for electric current to so pass directly between the membrane। The action potential message instead is transmitted to the postsynaptic membrane by variety of neurotransmitters molecules that diffuse across the cleft। The effective voltage जो होता है, the action potential arriving in the synaptic knobs of axon increase the permeability of knob membrane to calcium ions। This in turn causes a neurotransmitter filled vesicles stored in the knobs to fuse with presynaptic membrane। In a chemical synapse है, synaptic cleft is too wide for electric current to pass directly between the membrane। The action potentials जो होता है chemical synapses में, action potentials message instead of transmit to the postsynaptic membrane by a variety of neurotransmitter molecules that diffuse across the cleft। The action potentials arriving the synaptic knobs by axon increasing the permeability of the knob membrane to calcium ion। This in turn causes neurotransmitter filled vesicles stored in the knobs are fused with presynaptic membrane and release their neurotransmitters molecules in the cleft। These molecules then diffuse across the cleft to the postsynaptic membrane where they become attached to a receptor molecule। इसके बाद है these changes called post synaptic potentials can extra excitatory or inhibitory depending upon the type of neurotransmitter receptor connections. इसके बाद है motor end plate जो होता है, as we know the efferent motor nerve fiber supplies the muscle fibers. The axon of the motor neuron branches and it is approach muscle fibers. Each branch loses its myelin sheath near the transmission and end is the expanded foot-like form. There is no protoplasmic continuity between the neuron and the muscle fibers, but the membrane of two are separated from each other by a very narrow cleft-like fluid-filled space. However, at the meeting place, the muscle fiber forms a specialized structure called motor end plate. एंड में एक आपने अगर डायग्राम में देखा होगा मोटर एंड प्लेट, when two membranes are separated from each other by a very narrow cleft like fluid filled, जैसे आपने देखा वो वेसिकल जहां एक फ्लूइड भरा होता है, वेसिकल्स, इस फ्लूइड narrow cleft like a fluid filled space. However, the meeting place, the muscle fiber forms a specialized structure called motor end plate. एक specialized structure होता है यजन motor end plate च बना ने इम कस्मों के आसान ये बनाए motor end plate. इमेज फिगर डायग्राम जितना होता है इंशाल्लाह इसमें 3D मटेरियल अथ मज इमेज डायग्राम मोटर एंड प्लेट कितन यानी the meeting place, the muscle fiber forms a specialized structure called motor end plate. The neurotransmitter, the transmission of impulse through a synapse involve the release of chemical substance called neurotransmitters. Transmission of impulse through a synapse involving the release of chemical substance called neurotransmitters that are present in close relation of synaptic vesicles. Yet this last is which is synaptic vesicle. थोड़ा जिम्मेदारी रात किस्म अगर तुम ध्यान दियो सेकंड एक्सॉन बेकन यम डेंड्राइटस छ यस निमे जाय अख फ्लूइड अख भरित छ यत मछ लकट लकट वेसिकल्स यत फ्लूइडस मस यस अख स्पेस अख निमे जाय बना release of chemical substance called they represent a close relation synaptic vesicles which neuro impulse. This is a terminal knob of neurotransmitter is released into synaptic cleft. Under the influence of neurotransmitters, the post-synaptic surface deposit resulting in the very impulse of the photosynaptic neuron. The neurotransmitter released into the synaptic cleft act only for a very short duration. It is either inactivated by enzyme or is withdrawn with the terminal knobs. A synaptic transmitters an impulse only one direction, that from axon terminal to the neuron and dendrites. यहाँ से अगर impulse जाएंगे तो axon से यहाँ फिर dendrites या नर्व से डायरेक्ट जाएगी, जिसे आपने से कल काइंड्स पढ़े हैं. The impulse is never transmitted in the reverse direction. जो इम्पल्स है ये रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में नहीं जाती, यानी ये यहां से नहीं आएंगे, ये एक्सॉन से जाएंगे डेंड्राइटिस की तरफ या नर्व की तरफ, डेंड्राइटिस से वापस नहीं आएंगे एक्सॉन की तरफ. नेवर बी ट्रांसमिटेड इन द रिवर्स डायरेक्शन. इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट द न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर इज प्रेजेंट ओनली इन द एक्सॉन टर्मिनल्स. क्योंकि हम न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर खाली एक्सॉन टर्मिनल्स मज, एक्सॉन की तरफ टर्मिनल्स मज तवे गसन डेंड्राइटिस कुन या गसन डायरेक्ट न्यूरॉन मज. Hence, the impulse cannot be released from the dendrites or cell body even it reaches there. The best known transmitter is responsible for a fast but short-lived action of acetylcholine. Yus ath mach asan yus fast action karan short-lived non-adrenaline and adrenaline. The four long or neuroterminals were classified into cholinergic or adrenergic as they release the acetylcholine, non-adrenaline and the neurotransmitters. Dopamine and the histamine are other fast neurotransmitters. Which is now dopamine or histamine or other fast neurotransmitters. A part where neurotransmitters may other chemical substances are associated with the synapse. Some these which perhaps also act as a neurotransmitters. A secretin, gamma amino, butyric acid, glutamate and aspartate. ये न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर के जो यानी कुछ कसम है इसमें. अब प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ synapse पढ़ना है. There are three important properties of synapse. Summation. Properties of synapse. पहले है summation. SUMMATION. इसका मतलब क्या है? At any given moment of neuron receives a message from many synapses. For instance, each neuron of a human brain has typically 1,000 to 10,000 synapses in some brain areas responsible for the coordination of movement. A single neuron may have many 7,000 synapses. 7,000 synapses. Sorry, 70,000 synapses. All synapses do not release neurotransmitters at any given moment, but they may produce many stimulus, small, extraordinary, and inhibitory postsynaptic potential in the receptor neuron postsynaptic membrane, most of which are located on dendrite and soma. दूसरा है डिले. Summation दूसरा इसकी प्रॉपर्टी है डिले. For a sympathetic transmitter to occur, a certain amount of time must elapse at each synapse. This interval of called synaptic delay. It results from the time taken in releasing the neurotransmitter and stimulating the next neuron. It by in a delay shona, उस ट्रांसमीटर के साथ तब्दील आप में कि थोड़ा वक्त ये कम वक्त यानी सेकंड certain amount of time must elapse at each synapse. This interval called synaptic delay result in the form of time taken or releasing the neurotransmitter and the stimulating the next neuron by it. Beak synaptic fatigue. Synaptic fatigue ch beak trim evocation. One repeated transmitter of the neural impulse through the synaptic, sometimes a temporary suspension of impulse transmission occurs in the synapse. This is said to be synaptic fatigue. It is neurotransmitter accumulate again a synaptic vesicle and synaptic again its ability to transmit impulse. And दोबार again be का impulse या का message दोबार be वातनावी after synaptic fatigue. One repeated transmission of neural impulse through a synapse. Sometimes a temporary suspension of the impulse transmission occurs in the synapse. This is called synaptic fatigue. Ne repeat करें कहते be impulse ताच वना synaptic fatigue. चे में त्रे kinds. Impulse ऐसे को use synapse पढ़ा. Types of synapse. Impulse ऐसे पढ़ने हुआ. ब्याह business ये पढ़ा. Central nervous system which पढ़ना autonomic nervous system. Inshallah next next lecture rest of this autonomic nervous system क्या हो. तो जो वीडियो को एक्टिव था. Thank you.